Changzhou Wellife Furnace Company Limited, which is founded in 1993, is a high-tech enterprise, integrating research and development, production, sales, and after-sales service. We begin with domestic market first, and then start to export since 2000. Up till now, Wellife has become a professional manufacturer of a line of products, including patio heater, room heater, tabletop, BBQ and Fire Pit. After 30 years of innovation, Wellife has already been a high and new technology enterprise with creativity and competitiveness in both domestic and overseas markets. Wellife has a professional R&D and quality inspection team. Quality is in the company's blood. In recent years, we have established modernized enterprise management pattern and product quality assurance system. We has passed ISO 9000 certification and has been audited by Walmart, Home Depot, Costco, Lowe's, Woolworths, and other mass merchants factory audit. Our products are certified by CSA, ETL, NORM, AGA, SAI Global, CE, and SARBS. We have continuously introduced advanced technology and high-end equipment, apply them into first-class laboratories and workshops. Adhering to the design concept of good life starts from Wellife. We custom design and ODM different type of products and sell them overseas. Products are exporting to North America, Europe, Australia, and other more than 104 countries and regions. Our vision is to be the world leader in outdoor products, and we strive to transform from OEM to ODM. Through independent innovation, research, and development, we have 5 United States patents and more than 50 patents authorized by China National Intellectual Property Administration. Wellife has won honors such as High-Tech Enterprise of Jiangsu Province, Specialized and New Enterprise of Jiangsu Province, Industrial Design Center of Jiangsu Province, Industrial Design Center of Changzhou City, Enterprise Technology Center of Changzhou City, Engineering Technology Research Center of Changzhou City, and so on. We are willing to establish long-term relationship with our clients and build a win-win situation with our partners. Looking forward to serve you.